Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix Windows display errors. So this is for both your Windows 10 and Windows 11. This is applicable for that. So you just need to follow or watch the whole video to try as to what method or solution will best work for you. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First is you need to, or you can try to restart your Windows. Simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Because once you restart your Windows, that will refresh all the system processes, including all the programs on your Windows. So try restarting first. For the next method, we also need to make sure, or we need to make sure that the graphics card driver on our Windows is updated. So for that, go ahead in the Windows search bar, type device manager, click on that under the best match. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate the display adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. So you might be having a different graphics card driver from mine like NVIDIA, AMD, or any other graphics card driver. The process is just the same. Simply make a right click and then select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this windows and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then for the next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar, type system config. That will appear under the best match. Click on that. Now here in the system configuration window, you need to click on the services tab. Check this box, hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all. Before we can click on apply, click on the start app tab. Click on open task manager. Now, change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup apps enabled on your Windows. Then what you can do is you just need to disable all the unnecessary startup programs. Simply make a right click and then select disable. Once done, close out of here. Click on apply, click on OK, and then you have to click on the restart button. For the next method is we can also run the Windows security scan. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type security. Click on Windows security under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, click on virus and threat protection. Click on scan options. You can go with you can go with quick scan if you're in a hurry, but this will just only scan for some areas on your Windows. So I suggest you need to go with full scan because that will check for the entire system or your entire Windows. Click on scan now. So this will take more than an hour, but anyway, you can just simply minimize this window and then do your other task on your Windows and just go back to it once the process is done and just restart your Windows afterwards. Then for the next method, we can also run the SFC scan to check for any corrupted system files. Go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, click on run as administrator. Type this command SFC space / scan now, hit enter. So this will not only check for any corrupted system files, but this will also fix. Okay, so you just have to wait for this process to be 100% completed, and once completed, close out of here and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then we can also run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So for that, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Type mdsched.exe, hit enter. Then this is the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Just simply click on the restart now and check for problems, and that's it. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.